Hey guys, okay, so I have something to say that was Tuesday. Tuesday was my birthday. Okay, so the reason why I'm like not all hopped up is because like I have a really bad cold and I had the really bad cold on my birthday, so it was kind of stinky. But anyways, Tuesday was my birthday and it didn't go as I wanted it to. I didn't get anything for my birthday except for one thing from my grandma, and it was a toothbrush. I got a toothbrush from my grandma. That was it. And here's this, like, I wouldn't care if that was the only thing I got if I got a cake. I didn't get a cake on my birthday. Didn't get a cake on my birthday. I don't know if, like, that's weird to you guys, but it's weird to me because I like cake on my birthday. And I don't know if it's, like, in your, like, religion or something not to have a cake on your birthday, but in my house, my life, I get a cake on my birthday. And I didn't get a cake on my birthday. Okay, so here's what I want you guys to do. You like me and everything, you know, you subscribe, wherever it's at, subscribe. I always do this. It's either one of those. Well, subscribe, and, you know, send me a cake mix. Not an actual cake. Do not buy a cake mix. Make a cake, and then send it to me in a box, and then when it gets me, it's all molded. Do not do that. Do not do that. I have a water right here, and I almost spilled it. Buy a box of cake mix, and send me the box of cake mix. Preferably strawberry. I hate chocolate. Hate chocolate cake. I like chocolate, but I don't like chocolate cake. And you know what? You don't have to send me a cake. You could send me money. Something purple. Anything. Anything. I'll put my address in the description box. I would say down there, but everybody does that. So it's like, why should I do that? Everybody does that. Send me a cake mix. Or money, or something purple. I love purple. Just leave it at that. I love purple. And so, you could send me something. But I really want a cake, because I didn't get a cake for my birthday. I'm saving up to buy a purple comforter. Just saying. So, you could send me money, or you could send me a cake. But I really want something for my birthday, guys. Bye.